Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Esports GM60 USB optical gaming mouse. This is a budget-friendly gaming mouse that promises to deliver high performance and precision. Let's see if it lives up to its claims. The GM60 comes in a sleek box with the company's logo and product name prominently displayed. Inside, we find the mouse itself, a user manual, and a warranty card. The mouse is packaged securely to protect it during shipping. The Esports GM60 USB optical gaming mouse is a great choice for gamers looking for a reliable, adjustable gaming mouse. This mouse features an adjustable level resolution of 1200 diff, 1800, 2400, 3600 by CPI key, as well as full-color backlight LED to customize your gaming experience. It also has a comfortable ergonomic design and durable construction that ensures it will last through all your gaming sessions. Features: the GM60 boasts a high-precision optical sensor with up to 3200 dpi resolution. This allows for precise cursor movement and accurate tracking. It also has 6 customizable buttons, including a DPI switch button that can be programmed to perform different functions. Performance: I put the GM60 through its paces and was impressed by its performance. The cursor moved smoothly and accurately, and the customizable buttons were a great addition. The DPI switch button allowed me to easily switch between different sensitivity levels depending on my needs. I bought this GM60 gaming mouse from Amazon and it cost me only Rs 280, and if you guys are planning to buy this mouse, then make sure you guys use the link in description that will support this channel. It provides a comfortable gaming experience. The clicks feel a bit loud, but overall it is a decent mouse. For the price, you can expect much more in terms of gaming performance and features. It is perfect for those who are just starting out in the world of gaming, or those who don't want to spend too much on a gaming mouse. The GM60 has a sleek, ergonomic design that is comfortable to hold. The body is made of high-quality plastic that feels sturdy and durable. The buttons have a satisfying click and the scroll wheel feels smooth to the touch. Overall, I'm impressed with the Esports GM60 USB optical gaming mouse. It offers a great combination of performance and value, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a high-performance gaming mouse at an affordable price. So, that's it for today's unboxing and review of the Esports GM60 USB optical gaming mouse. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing and review videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.